Hello, I'm Michael Isa, Senior Director of Product Management for Huawei Storage product line. Our customers have repeatedly asked me, how is Huawei all-flash storage different than other products in the same class on the market? Well, to answer this question, we need to focus on several key differentiating technologies within Dorado V3 all-flash storage. In this video, I will preview some of the key Huawei chipset design technologies embedded within Huawei's SSD module and the SmartIO module. In 2016, Huawei released the next generation all-flash storage Dorado V3 that can provide up to 4 million IOPS at a predictable half a millisecond latency, placing Dorado V3 as the leading industry performance in all-flash storage. OceanStor Dorado V3 all-flash storage provides a ground-up design. What I mean by grounds up is the storage array is designed from the chipset to controller to the module interface and back to the OS layer. Furthermore, data can flow in and out of OceanStor Dorado V3 storage through the SmartIO module. The combination of Huawei's SSD module and the SmartIO module designed exclusively for OceanStor OS allows an optimized I/O path from the application down to the chipset with improvement of 200%. Let's see how that's done. Let's take a look at Dorado V3. If you look at Dorado V3, typically an application is running on that storage, and within it there's a SmartIO module, the Huawei SSD module, and the OceanStor OS that ties everything together. The SmartIO module is highly programmable interface, and it can be set to either 8 or 16 gigabit fiber channel, 10 gig E, or fiber channel over Ethernet, iSCSI. It also supports NAS protocols. At the same time, it can be repurposed to go over the WAN in case you have another system elsewhere. And that WAN is also embedded within the SmartIO module. It has a WAN acceleration technology that can get you anywhere between 65 to 400% performance improvement over the WAN. Furthermore, the highly optimized path with a SmartIO module, SSD module, and OceanStor OS allows the application to see an I/O path that is 200K IOPS at less than 1 millisecond latency. And that's really the industry number one leading performance for an all-flash storage. First, let's talk about the SSD module. Huawei's proprietary SSD make use of the self-developed new generation SSD controller chipset and firmware, which is based on the Cortex-A9 with computing capabilities. The SSD controller chipset supports DDR4 memory and can provide up to 18 NAND flash channels. Furthermore, it is capable of fully supporting OceanStor OS, where the OS can offload to the SSD controller the flash translation layer, or FTL, allowing FTL to be done by hardware rather than the storage OS. This technology accelerates I/O processing tremendously that allows us to achieve the 200K IOPS at a constant sub-millisecond latency performance per system. Let's talk about the SmartIO module. The SmartIO module is responsible for multiple protocol processing and multi-protocol fusion with RDMA acceleration as well as WAN acceleration technology. With Huawei's proprietary protocol processing chipset on board, the SmartIO module can support multiple storage protocols, including 8 and 16 gigabit fiber channel, 10 gigabit fiber channel over Ethernet, iSCSI, iWarp, and NAS protocols, all fully automated. Customers can aggregate fiber channel traffic, LAN, IP, and FC data traffic into a single interface module, thereby using 75% fewer interface cards, components, and reducing their initial investment. The SmartIO module chipset also support RDMA technology, which decreases the link latency by 60%. By increasing the remote replication bandwidth on the complex network, the SmartIO module chipset can mitigate congestion and accelerate the performance of WAN traffic with the help of WAN acceleration, and that traffic can be reduced anywhere from 65% up to 400%. Through continuous investment in chipset module development and technology and innovation, Huawei is committed in helping companies face the digital challenges and to accelerate their digital transformation.